So here's some Ruud units. Some Ruud air conditioners with Bristol recip compressors. Just out looking for heat pumps right now. That one has a Millennium Scroll or a Carly. Not really sure. Actually, no, these have Bristol recips. See if we can get the data. Doesn't look like it. I guess these are from like the late 2000s or mid 2000s. Sucks that they're fenced in though. Pretty nice units. Alright, so here's a Daikin commercial unit. This is actually at the dentist office. I guess this is like 10 tons or something. Maybe even more. This is a Daikin or Daikin. 2016. That's a 20 ton or something. Pretty big. Not many units around that I can go to. Or that I know of. Because this is a new area. This is a straight cool air conditioner. Because there's a gas meter. And why else would you have a gas meter? Except for like water and heat. So let's see if I can find any more. If not, then over and out.